Hi, doctor. Is it possible to treat gum disease using natural remedies, or is professional treatment always necessary?
Um, this is one of the most common questions people generally ask. Oh, why do I have gum disease and why can't it be cured using natural remedies, right? Absolutely, depending on the condition of your gum disease, it can either be cured via like natural remedies, or you will need to have some kind of a professional treatment to begin with, followed by the natural remedies. So it's kind of like I always give patients to give the example of like diabetes, for example, right? Can you cure completely like naturally? But you got to find out, what level of diabetes that you have. Unless you go to the doctor, you won't even know sometime you have diabetes. So the same way. So when you go to your dentist and they are going to diagnose, and then they are going to diagnose depending on the condition of your gums, they are going to diagnose whether you have what we call it as gingivitis, which is the most early, the earliest form of gum disease, followed by you have mild, moderate, or advanced gum disease. When you have gingivitis, yeah, just with a regular cleaning and followed by due diligence with at home care and some of the oral hygiene products that you can use, it is very easily reversible. Mild or moderate gum disease, right? So what that means is if you have like some kind of a tartar stuck in there, it's possible that you can get it out with the regular cleaning or what we call it as a scaling, again without having to do any numbing or anything. It can be reversed. But when you have moderate to advanced gum disease, then that is definitely going to require a treatment at the dental office, which means we have to give you some numbing, go under the gum line, and then we pretty much do what we call it as a deep gum therapy or a deep cleaning in our office. If you happen to be here in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, we also do what we call it as a
Laser
laser
treatment.
treatment,
Yes.
right? What we call it as an adjunctive therapy to help expedite the healing process and control the bacteria and enhance the healing process. Followed by that, then now you do your own gigs, right? And so now you want to maintain it because you got the initial therapy done, either a regular cleaning or a deep cleaning done. Now you maintain it at home with oral hygiene, which is the first thing, and also using products like could be as simple as a saltwater mouthwashes. People ask me, oh, do I have to really go buy expensive mouthwashes from the store? You don't have to. If you want to really simply start with some saltwater mouthwashes, go for it. People ask me, hey, can I do oil pulling? Absolutely, you can do that, but on the top of the brushing and flossing. Antibacterial, like other stuff. One of the patients that today I saw, he was asking for some turmeric, and he was asking for some aloe vera products. But again, I told them, again, on the top of the brushing and flossing. Green tea is a great antioxidant you can use, although you can have a little bit of staining, but you can overcome that. And the most basic thing is the proper brushing and flossing. There is no replacement for that. So use the brushing and flossing, water jets, and water picks, and the handheld for flossing. All the other products that we talked about, they are all icing on the cake. Go for it.